Alright, Mike, here's your 427 small block Ford. Use Christian's combination. Got the Edelbrock manifold, fuel man, Holley Terminator X Max. Got some ground hydraulic roller. Got a set of RS cascades, Moroso reverse up pan. Beautiful front end on. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 495 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 523, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 531, rated at 500, so it runs really good. That's the EFI system and the manifold. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.